Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today it is Monday. We're back in the field, as you can see right here, still holding this trade from Friday. I called it, right here at this area. If you guys were on the Instagram page, you actually seen how I had my sell limits right at this zone for about a whole day. I was waiting for this to hit on Thursday, it didn't. And then Friday it came up and did its thing. Um, yeah, so now we're just waiting now, but just to give you guys some insight, right? So let's just go to the 30 minute, make it a little bit differently here. You can see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? But when we break it down, let's bring out our handy dandy Fibonacci, right? Oops, sorry, I just came from the gym and I'm fucking shaking. All right, so what I see here is, let's go to the hour real quick. Yes, we have a little IOC right here, right? But it was a little break just above it. So that for me could signal a downtrend, right? That could signal a fall, an uptrend, a break of structure right here. And now we could see it maybe come down to this level here before moving back up to the upside. Now there's no news today. So that's something else we have to look at is that there is no news today. So the market could go ahead and do what it wants. And um, I'm one of the traders who came in during COVID, right? A lot of traders came in during COVID. But when we look at it here, we can see that there's a clear support level right here, right? It's pretty clear. But this low broke this low, so I'm hoping that counts for something, right? Um, and again, I I hate to say it, but I'm pretty fucking pessimistic, right? I am pretty pessimistic right now. So my opinion is that we can possibly see um, a big fall off in the upcoming months, right? I was expecting a big recession this year. We haven't seen it. We were in a recession last year, in my opinion, but it wasn't as big as I thought it would be. I didn't see the correction that I thought the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq needed. So for me, I think that I think we still have some ways to go, but I could be completely wrong, just by the simple fact that I'm new to all this shit. So don't quote me on it. But so I'm in the trade here. I think we could see a little bit of a retracement back up to this area here, back up to this zone here, right to the EMA. So I think that's a real strong possibility. If we see, show you the 5 minute, 15 minute is it? Okay, yeah, the 15 minute. So as we can see here, price is steadily sitting on top right here, right? With the 15 minute, we've already seen the crossover on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And when I say the crossover, the 20 EMA has crossed over the 50 EMA, right? You can see it here. On the 1 minute, probably happened a little bit sooner, right over here. So I think we could have a break of structure to the upside. Now, it might not come all the way back down the way I like to have break of structures, or for retraces, but let's see from here. Boom. I mean, 50% is right there at this line, so maybe we could see it drop a little bit down to here before pushing back up. Um, but I think I'm going to stay away. I still like my sell-off zones. Me personally, I do. Let me see some here. It's kind of tough. I really don't see a trade here right now. Like we could sell off from here, but I think it is a risk. Let's go check NAS real quick. NAS is basically showing us the same thing, right? Except it didn't break this. And it has this ILC up top right here. If it comes up and rejects this, maybe we can hop into the trade. But let's just go to boom, bring out our Fibonacci extension. And then from here to there, right in the golden zone, right? So this looks a lot better to me, especially when we have, you can just draw this out right here, right? Here, touch all these lines. Boom, right? We have support to resistance. I like this area a lot better. If it's me, personally speaking, I like this area right here. Now we would need a bit of a stop loss. about, I'd say about, let's call it 65 pips. 70 pips, right? 70 pips, and I think we'd be able to take this down here overall. So we go to the hourly, we see what the hourly is giving us. Ooh, I actually see that. This could be a big rejection right here and fall off from here too. But I think if it breaks above here, we could see it come up. But we could see it fall off from this zone right here. It's pretty clear right here, right? Boom. So I like it. I like both of these trades, this one and this one. See if there's any news. Where's the news at? Is this the news? Okay, there's the headlines. Damn, look at that. NASDAQ stage is whopping 32% gain to log best first half in over 4 years. That's what's concerning to me is that we keep building like this. And I know it's Apple and I know all these things, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. For me personally, I just don't see how we can keep going up. Because what goes up must come down, right? So we'll see here, but I like this trade right here. And we'll see if it breaks above or respects the zone right here, right? We got about 5 minutes till open. This zone right here is key, right? We can obviously see that right here. It's been respected. It's been getting respected. Not a 2-hour. We have a 1-hour IOC right here, which isn't the strongest, but it's still an IOC. All right, so kind of right here. And you can see it's already still rejecting, right? Cover these bases right here. It's not even a 50%. I like to color code all of my zones. So you can see 38% is baby blue, 50% is green, golden zone is golden, and the 78 is purple. So you can see the respect being shown right here, right? Look at that. Could fall off. I like the way this looks better than NASDAQ. I mean, than US30. So we'll see what happens right here. It's already rejected it. Let's see. Get a little push up or something like right here. We're able to hop in. 30 pip stop loss. Possibly take this. It would have to break through here, but even this one does. So at 46 pips, we could take profit. Another at 88 pips. And then hopefully we could see it break down to these lower levels down here. So let's see. I'm going to wait for it to retrace. I don't want to get in at this point here. But if it gives us an opportunity, I'm going to hop in that bitch. See something here. So it's about 14 pips away from where I want to enter. But it does look like it's coming down now. So, well, I'm not going to get in here. If I missed it, I missed it. Even though some people were able to get in at that point, I don't want to because I know there's a good chance it pushes up from here, right? If this low right here stays here, or it respects this 15-minute EMA and doesn't break this low, then we know for sure that there's a good chance it could break up and push up to the list to this level. And if we get in too early and we're like, oh shit, now we need 135 pip stop loss, right? So those are the things you got to think about. But I would do something like this, you feel me? So we'll see what happens. Either of these are going to be the way. If we could see it push up into here and hold steady, I'll take the trade. But we'll see right now. Got about 2 minutes till open. So yeah. You know what? Let me wash my hands real quick. Yeah, you see how it's holding up right here on the 20 EMA? It's kind of using that as support. Doesn't have to continue this way, but let me go to the 1 minute real quick. Actually, yeah, it does look like it doesn't have to make it up here right now. So we can kind of see that happening right there. So got about 30 seconds. Could fall off from right here, right? Right at this 1 minute EMA, it could just fall off the slopes right there. Keep it short and sweet. It's go time right now. Could just fall off though, so 7 seconds. Could reject it right here at this 1 minute EMA. Haven't got in nothing yet. Nothing yet. Right at this area, I'm not in it yet. Oh, look at that push. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oof, looks like it's out of here. But we'll see, it's still in this zone. Looks like it's headed up to its next level. Maybe. Oh, I just put in a little sell, a little one, not a big one, little one. But I should probably get out of this because we know it's going to go up right now, I think. So, dang, I probably should get out of this trade. I'm in like, yeah, I think I'm going to hop out of this trade just to get out of it early. I don't think we're going to see it stop at this point. I think it's going to continue to go up. So I'm going to hop out. Lost about 30 bucks right there. But US30, I got another alert right here. Other one. Oh no, it looks like it's carrying up too, so we should be cool. I think to hit our zones up top. So I lost about 30 bucks on the other one on NASDAQ. Dang, look at US30 go to our zone up top. Right here at this area, right? And NAS. I'm going to stay away from US30, but NAS we know has this zone up top, so. I'm looking to hit that zone on NAS, but it's kind of Look at these rejection wicks right here. Oh, see if it holds up right here though, right? Could do the same thing and just hold it. Oh, uh-oh. Whoa. I put another little sell in right now. So let's see what happens. Sorry, guys. Wait, we want to see this finish first. This will be my last trade for this particular one right here. And if we're wrong, just get out early, right? All right. Oh, let's see here. This is going to be key. If it uses this area of support, we're got to get about, right? So this is going to be key here. If it uses this area of support here, then we got to get out of the trade as well. So we got a few obstacles to get through right here. I ain't even going to lie. So we got to be mindful of that. Got to be careful of that. Up a little bit right now. I'd say it needs to come down a little bit more though, for it to be really like mm, what is that, Zuko? Yeah, I don't know if I necessarily like that right there. I don't think that's enough. We needed to break through here. It's too much respect on the 20 EMA right now. So for me, be careful, right? We're only up about, yeah, this is right about 5 pips on my bottom, 3 pips on my bottom position. Oh, it's going down a little bit more now. Let's see. Helicopter chilling on top of the crib. Yeah, I don't know if I like this one. If it fully engulfs it like this, then we gotta, we know it's gonna probably head up to the next level, right? So we gotta be mindful of that. Mm, look at that. Let's see. Chill right on top of the crib. Yeah, that doesn't look so great right now for us. See how it finishes though. Mm, let's see. See if it can fall. Hey, bro. Nice. It's kind of playing right here. But at the same time, you know what it's doing while it's playing is it's constantly creating. A lot of people don't consider these higher lows, but I do. It's constantly creating higher lows with the candles. So if you go to like your MT4 and you look at it and see how price action is looking when you open up an actual position, that kind of gives you an idea of where price is going, right? Something like that. Is that it? Yeah. So you can see it climbing right there. Um, we're not in a bad position right now at all. But it's part of my problem too is I don't let the trades, hit their the risk. I don't let them hit the reward. So It's one of my bigger issues, being real. Yeah, it looks to be going up. If US30 is going up too, oh yeah, we could kind of predict something similar. But I kind of like the wait. Something that's right there. I think we could see it fall. Yeah, US30 looks to be getting out. NAS looks to be getting out of here right now. 7. Next one's probably going to build up. But US30 is at a key level, but there's nothing for me to take it here. I forgot about this. Big ass helicopter right on top of my house. I'll just put a little position in on US30. We'll see what happens for US30. Sorry guys, this is how I trade, so if I see it, I'm taking it. So I got a position in on US30 outside of this top one. It's a risky one. I'm in down here. I'm up about. Damn, I got a pretty good position. Oh shit, son. Still holding my NAS and I got my US30. Not too sure this is the smartest way to go about it, but we're in it. And NAS actually looks to be going up to our level up top right here. Hmm. NAS is still playing. I'm gonna let it just be above those wicks right there for NAS. And if it goes and takes me out, it takes me out. I have my sell limit up top right here. So if it does take me out at this point, it's gonna take me out at this point, right? Which it kind of looks like it is. Hold on a second here. So stop losses are all set. How's it going down? How's it down? Yeah, NAS doesn't look like it's going down. US30, I probably should have just pulled it. I was up a good amount. Yeah, NAS definitely looks like it's coming up now. Alright, same thing here. Oh, it's been going up. Alright, a lot of rejections up top, but it's also carrying that load. My US30s have break even and it's about to get stopped out. NAS is still surprisingly good though. But you can see right here where this bar is at, there's a clear little support to resistance. And it's using that support right now, right? My US30 is still up. I'm in like right here. I don't know how I got in right there, but I did. Oh, let's just, oh, Okay, let's just focus on NAS though. Since this is where we got it. Ooh, okay. Alright, I'm going to take some profit right here at this area just because I know it's oh man, it's a 0.03. Alright, pulled that out, covered that little $30 loss I had. We're in the game right now. What's my next? 64. 67. Alright, we're moving. Let's see if it can break it. I'm going to take some more profit right here just because I know that it can use that as support. So that put me up 166 on the day. We got a 0.06 floating, about $200 floating right now with NAS. And then for US30, I'm up pretty big right now. So I'm up about 400 bucks, including my top position. Looks to be breaking it right now. Good for us. Breaking this little trend line right here. Oh, but it's right on top of there. I'm going to pull some more. Fuck it. Just because I have this other position. Another 100. That'll put me at 270 for the day. And we're up pretty big right now. So we got another 100 floating right now on NAS. Another 100 floating on NAS. Could push up on us. Move your stops to break even. 15070 is where I'm at. 15070, 53. Then US30. Damn, that shit shot back up. Well, I'm in at break even on US30, so if it breaks me out at break even, that's crazy. That shit shot up what? That shit shot up 30 pips in 1 minute. What a juke. But let's stay focused here. If US30 takes me out, it takes me out. I'm okay with it. See the trend line with the 50 EMA used. We got to see a breakthrough here though, which I'm not sure it is. If I'm just being real. The only thing we really got going for us right now is on the 1 minute, this low. It didn't break this low, but it did break this one. So that's the only thing we got going for us right now. So 21 pip stop loss. We can play it out a little bit, right? So we got to understand that. US30 is up there again, so we'll see what happens to that. Odds were still up a little bit. I'd really like for this to hold up right here. This 1 minute 50 EMA hold up, and then we can see it fall back down to this level here. So if we could see that, that'd be great. Okay, like that. But we got to break through it, right? If it just uses this as support, then we got to get out of the trade. So we got to be mindful of that. See if it can break through here all the way and continue down. So let's see. And that helicopter is right here. Let's go. Like that. We're at key areas right here though. Back out real quick. So right when we get to this zone, well even here is a key area, right? You can see as soon as it touches this zone right here, nice little rejection. Man, it's rejecting it. So let's see. Hopefully we can get this thing to break through. Doesn't have to though, right? Might not give it to me where I want it at. Yeah, I don't think it is. It's doing that, but it's going up right now. Rejected it again, so hmm. Yeah, it's rejecting it. I think I'm gonna pull some more profit right here. Oh, breaking below. Nope. See how it's still using it as support? Yeah, starting to make its way back up. Hmm. I got stopped out on US30 too, by the way. I don't like the rejection and I don't like the. What's that helicopter doing? I don't like the rejection and the engulfing candle right here, especially at this level, right? We know this is a key level. We know that price basically broke above right here. And if we draw it out, let's just draw it out right now. And this will help me to either pull the trade or keep it in. It's right at that 61%, right? Basically perfectly lined up right there. I just pulled profit, another 80 bucks just to get me up to 350. And we have about 200 floating right now, so let's go. Let's see if it can keep falling for us. Let's go. I'd like to see it break below here. If it doesn't, I'm going to just hop out the trade and call it a day. No need to keep working crazy right now, so let's see if it can break below here. Oh, come on. Oh, 7 digits model bitches in the reading shows. Let's go, baby. In the back. I'm going to pull some profit right here. Boom. That put me at 500 for the day. Got a point zero 0.01 floating, about 85 pips we're up right now. So let's go, man. Call live. Stop sleeping on your boy. I should hold it, but you know me. If you watch my trades, you know I be fucking up like that. Let's see. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Can't tell me Zay didn't tell you. Can't say we didn't call this live. Let's go, baby. About to close in on 100 pips. We did have some people, but I think they fucked up, eh? Let's go. Let's go. Take it. That's 100 pips for that ass, boy. I get it, boy. The world is yours. Hey, that was a good day, guys. I forgot that I was even live right now. We're up about 100 pips. I pulled most of my trade at this point here, around this area here, and I think I'm a scalper, so we're done for the day. Appreciate you guys for tuning in with me today. It was a pleasure. Um, I hope you guys were able to make some money with me. Thank you, and we'll see you guys next week. Sorry, not next week. Tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow for sure. Appreciate you guys for hopping in with me. You guys have a good one.